The most common types of cancer vary by region and demographic, but globally, the following types are frequently diagnosed. 1. Breast cancer. Most common cancer among women. Risk factors include age, family history, and lifestyle. 2. Lung cancer. Leading cause of cancer-related deaths. Strongly associated with smoking, though non-smokers can also develop it. 3. Colorectal cancer. Affects the colon or rectum. Screening is important for early detection, especially after age 45. 4. Prostate cancer. Common in men, particularly those over 50. Risk factors include family history and race. 5. Skin cancer. Includes melanoma and non-melanoma types. Associated with UV exposure from the sun or tanning beds. 6. Stomach cancer. More prevalent in certain regions, particularly East Asia. Linked to diet, smoking, and certain infections. 7. Liver cancer. Often develops in people with chronic liver disease. Risk factors include hepatitis infections and alcohol abuse. 8. Esophageal cancer. More common in men and linked to smoking, alcohol, and certain dietary factors. 9. Endometrial cancer. Affects the lining of the uterus, more common in postmenopausal women. 10. Bladder cancer. More common in men, often linked to smoking and chemical exposure. Summary. Awareness of these common cancers can help in understanding risk factors, the importance of screening, and promoting healthier lifestyle choices. If you have questions about a specific type or want more details, feel free to ask. Lower blood sugar levels.